Hello students, today we'll be discussing some of the past paper questions on binomial expansion. Last time we have seen the general expansion of binomial in the form a plus b to power n. So first term will be a to power n because the coefficient will be nc0, that is 1. Then the next coefficient will be nc1. You'll reduce its power by 1, introduce b here, then the next coefficient will be nc2. Again, reduce its power by still 1, increase b's power by 1, and like that you will continue up till b to power n. And even we have seen the r plus 1 term formula and we have solved the problems on that. So r plus 1 term in any binomial expansion will be given by, here b's power will be r and cr, and the remaining power n minus r will be h power, a to power n minus r. So these two things you keep them in mind. Now we'll see the first question here. Find the first three terms. Find the first three terms in the expansion of 3 minus x upon 4 to power 7. So I'll first write this as 3 plus negative x upon 4 to power 7 to get it in the form a plus b to power 7. So a will be 3, b will be negative x upon 4. So the first term will be 3 to power 7 plus next coefficient will be 7c1. What will be 3's power here? Tell me. Yes, 1 less. That is 3 to power 6. And you'll introduce negative x upon 4 here. Now tell me the next term. Yes, it is 7c2. What will be 3's power in this term? 3 to power 5. And negative x upon 4. What will be the power? 2 square. And so on. So now simplify this. 3 to power 7, that is 2187. What will be the sign of the next term? Positive into negative, that is negative. So 7c1, that is 7 into 3 to power 6, 729 divided by 4 into x. Now next term. Now keep it in mind that negative square is positive. So this term will be positive 7c2, that is 21 into 3 to power 5, that is 243 divided by 4 square, that is 16. X upon 4 the whole square, that will be x square upon 4 square, that is x square upon 16. And now write the terms. First term is 2187, 2187. Next will be 5103 upon 4 x Then again here 21 into 243, that will be 5103 upon 16 x square. These are the three terms in the expansion. Which the steps are becoming okay with you? So come to the second problem. So part A, find the first four terms. The first four terms in ascending power. In ascending power of x in the binomial expansion of the binomial expansion of 2 plus x upon 5 to power 9, giving each term in the simplest form. Each term in the simplest form. And second part of the same question, use your answer in part A to find an estimated value of 2.02 to power 9, stating the value of x, which you have used and showing the working. So come to the first part here. You have to write the expansion of 2 plus x upon 5 to power 9. Now here your A is 2 and B is x upon 5. So what will be the first term? 2 to power 9. The next coefficient will be 9c1 reduced to its power by 1, 2 to power 8. Introduce x upon 5 here. Then 9c2 reduced to its power by 1, that is 2 to power 7, x upon 5, increase the power by 1, x upon 5 the whole square. Then 9c3. Now what will be 2 its power here? 2 to power 6. And x upon 5, what will be the power? 3. And so on. Okay. So 2 to power 9. 2 to power 9 will be 512. Then in the next term, 9c1 is 9, 2 to power 8, that is 256 upon 5 x. Then 9c2, that is 36 into 2 to power 7, that is 128, and x upon 5 the whole square, that is x square upon 25. So write 25 here, x square. Then 9c3, that is 84, 2 to power 6, that is 64, 5 cube, that is 125, x upon 5 the whole cube, that is x cube upon 5 cube, that is x cube upon 125, right? 125 here, x cube, and so on. So these are the 4 terms in the given expansion. Now simplify that. Simplify each term. 512, then this will be 2304 upon 5 x. Then the next term will be 4608 upon 25 x square. And the fourth term will be 5376 upon 125 x cube. So, using this expansion, you have to find the value of 2.02 to power 9. So, let me just equate this. 2 plus x upon 5 to power 9. And using that expansion, I want to find out or estimate the value of 2.02 to power 9. So if I equate this, both brackets are raised to power 9. That means I can equate the quantities inside the bracket. So 2 plus x upon 5 is 2.02, which means x upon 5 is 2.02 minus 2, that is 0.02. So x will be 0.02 into 5, that is 0.1. That means in part A, the expansion, the 4 terms I have got, in that if I put x is 0.1, I will get the estimated value of 2.02 to power 9. So let me put x is equal to 0.1 in the expansion. So that means 2.02 to power 9. The estimated value will be 512 plus 2304 upon 5. For x I will put 0.1, then 4608 upon 25 into 0.1 the whole square, and then 5376 upon 125 into 0.1 the whole cube. Now calculate term wise. First is 512, the next will become 46.08, the third term 1.8432, and the last term will be 0.043008. And if you add this to 2 decimal places, I can write 559.97. So this is the estimated value from my expansion of 2.02 to power 9. Which the steps are okay with you? Then come to one more question here. The third question, find the first four terms. Find the first four terms in the ascending power, in the ascending power of x of the binomial expansion of the binomial expansion of 1 plus kx to power 6, where k is a non-zero constant. That means it is not 0. K is a non-zero constant. Give each term in the simplest form. Give each term in the simplest form. So this is the part A of the question. And part B, given that the coefficient of x cube term in this expansion is 1, 0, 2, 4, 0, find the value of k. Find the value of k. So let us come to part A. Let us write the expansion of 1 plus kx to power 6. 1 plus kx to power 6. So the first term is 1, and keep it in mind that any power of 1 is 1 only. So here a is 1. So any power of a will be 1 only. So first term is 1. In the second term, the coefficient is 6c1. Then 1's power will be 5. Here it is 6, then 5, and here kx. Then 6c2, 1's power will be 4, kx power will be 2, kx the whole square, and the next term will be 6c3, 1's power will be 3, and kx, the power will be 3. See that the total power of both together comes out to be 6. So these are the 4 terms. Now simplify it out. So 1, then 6c1 is 6, kx, next 6c2, that is 15, k square, x square, 6c3, that is 20, k cube, x cube. In the last class, I told you how to find out the combinations on your calculator. So take for example, I want to find out 6c3, just as a revision of how to do this on the calculator. Tell me how will you do it? First press 6, Then press the shift key. Then press the division key, because on the top of the division sign you'll see that there is combination NCR, and then press 3 and equal to sign. Okay, that will give you the value of 6C3 as 20. Okay, so these are the four terms in the expansion. Now the coefficient of x cube term in the expansion is 20 k cube, and the coefficient is given to you 102 10,240. That means 20 k cube is 10,240, which gives you k cube as 10,240 divided by 20, which is 512. So k is cube root of 512, which is 8. Are the steps okay with you, students? So these are some of the past paper type questions on the binomial expansion. Please go through them. Okay, and in between we'll solve some of more of the past paper questions. Okay, any doubts, please ask me. Enjoy the day, students. See you in the next class. Bye.